Hi, ready for some quick, delicious breakfast recipe? Because in this video we are going to make a very healthy style Turkish breakfast. Starting by roughly chopping up a medium-sized onion, pan on the stove top. I'm preheating 3 tablespoons olive oil over the medium heat. Throw the chopped onion in, spread them a little bit on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften and turn translucent around the edges. Here I have a cute sized medium bell pepper. Chop it up. Throw it into the pan and stir them for a minute. On to our second VIP guest, the fresh red-blooded tomatoes. Chop them up. Wiggle-jiggle with other veggies for 2 minutes straight on high heat. For the spices, I am adding half teaspoon salt plus half teaspoon red chili flakes. You can be fancy with your spices because there is variety of different spices and flavors that you can put in. Stir for a minute and cover this vegetarian pan for 5 minutes on low flame so the veggies know with what kind of spices they are dealing with. Use a spatula or spoon and make little wells. On to our first VIP guest, eggs. Crack a group of 4 naughty eggs separately into a bowl, one by one, without breaking their yolks, and add into their related compartments. Cover the pan on low flame and let it steam cook for 2 minutes without peeking. Check if your egg whites set, remove it from heat, and here is the delicious breakfast ready to break the fast. Take out into a serving plate. For the dressing, use as many dressing as you can, like cheese or any other thing. I'm just garnishing it with some chopped coriander. So give a last fresh green touch to egg and enjoy the life with amazing food nature is offering us since the birth of earth. So thank you. Bye.